guys. I've been waiting for you for a while. You guys are here just to help me with a project. Well, we'll get to it. I don't know if we'll get her all squared away. I think I gotta go look for some things. But we'll get into it sooner or later. Hopefully sooner than later. What I'm thinking about doing here is taking this LED light. Here, holy crap, this is bad lighting. Hang on. There. Is take this it's LED light here that I got, and man, that's bad lighting. Good grief. I guess that's why I got boards around here to prop my doors open. There, that's a little better. I want to take this light here. I want to take this light. You guys can see it. Yeah, that wide. And I want to put it kind of on the front. Maybe. Well. Maybe make me something, maybe make me a bracket like that or something, or I don't know, maybe I'd like to just be able to make it this lip back here behind these bolts. I just like it to be able to set right there, and then and then do whatever needs done there. I got these wires here. I don't know if you can see them or not. I hope you can. These wires here, they got the black and the red. I originally had this light on my gator when I had it on the gator, and it does work. I do know that. For this small of a vehicle, I think it'll work wonders. Yeah, I'm not too entirely crazy about welding it because once you weld to this kind of stuff, you can't take it off, and I really just don't want to weld to this. That would really booger the ever-loving crap out of it. See, put it back here, but nah, that's where the air is, and I wouldn't give me good visibility. Same problem, you wouldn't get no air there. Of course, that's all plastic. You can see it. That's all broke. That's all broke here. So no good. Yeah, about the only place I can really put this thing is right here with the bolts on the front side. Because I'll use this front rack from time to time to haul a bag of minerals out to the feeder or something, and I want this thing to be sturdy. I don't want it to be some kind of a thing that's gonna break loose once in a while, but I don't know what to use to go around round stock is my problem. I know what I want to do with these here. I know what I want to do with these here. Probably just get like some real short U-clamps or something. I mean, like really freaking short U-clamps, or U-clamps, excuse me, U-bolts. Go around this, so it's like this with the U-clamps, or U-bolts. Get it right, and maybe have like something, have it sit out here a little bit, or even up here. No, because that'd be in my way. But yeah, have it come out here. Have the U-bolts, with a plate of steel or metal, come up here and have this, out here a little bit. You'll mount it right there with with the piece of metal there. I'll go get you. I'll go see if I can find some U bolts, and we'll get this squared away.